Oh. Hi, hi.
Say, look, say hi, Mimi.
I'm Mimi.
What do you say? Say love you.
Love you.
Say how are you?
How are you?
Say see you soon.
You.
Tell her where's Sydney?
Sydney.
Where is Sydney?
Sydney.
Where is Sydney?
Sydney.
What do you say to Mimi?
Mimi.
What do you say to Mimi?
Sydney.
Your name.
In the car.
Where's Eric?
Eric.
Where is Eric?
Eric is gonna adopt you. She is gonna go downstairs. Mimi.
Say we're chilling in the backyard.
Mother.
Say what up?
Mother.
Blow it. Show Mimi how you blow it.
See.
Say, look Mimi. Blow those.
Mimi.